I'm gonna take some canola oil cooking spray and I'm gonna spray my trays. I'm gonna do it over the sink because this spray tends to get everything all over my countertop. That way the chicken doesn't really stick. Alright, so as you saw, I marinated this chicken overnight. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to make some rice and some broccoli to go along with this. Or I might just make some cauliflower. So I don't think I have that much broccoli left. Boneless chicken cooks fast in the air fryer. You only need about 15 minutes and it's done. Could be 20 if they're thick pieces, but in this case, since they're not that thick, it's only going to take 15 minutes. Compared to 30, 35, or 40 minutes with the chicken that has bones. Okay, I'm going to throw this in the trash and wash my hands. Okay, I'm going to pop it into my air fryer. And I'll have it on 370, cook it for 15 minutes, press start. And after 5 minutes, I'm going to rotate the trays. Alright, so I'm going to rotate my trays to make sure that they cook evenly. So I'm going to put that one on the top. I'm not going to put this one all the way down to the bottom. I'm going to put it right there so that way they don't burn. And then after 5 minutes, I'm going to rotate again and flip on the other side. Alright, now I'm going to flip them over, but honestly, I think these may be done after 10 minutes. I don't want them to be like too crispy along the edges, so they're not pink on the inside. Yeah, these are done. If I cook these for another 5 minutes, they're gonna be really tough, and I don't want them to be too tough, you know what I mean? I want them to be tender, so if you cook them for too long, they can crisp up, and they're already starting to crisp along the edges. So it varies, it depends on how thick your pieces of chicken are, and if they're frozen or thawed out, and I always thaw mine out before I cook. Yeah, these are done. Only took 10 minutes this time. If you want them crispy, you can cook them for the additional 5 minutes. But in this case, I want them tender because we're gonna cut it up and eat it with rice. So these are done. And this is what they're looking like here. And I marinated it with my teriyaki marinade, and of course with some pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.